This course will make you change how you see selling forever. At this price range, sales courses aren't always excellent. Most of the time, cheaper sales courses only teaches normal sales stuff that comes natural for most people, like handshakes and smiling and stuff. And honestly, most of them just don't cut it. They're okay or not bad, but this $20 course contains the kind of teachings that you'd expect from a $50, $100, or even $200 course. By the way, if you want to get this course for free, keep watching all the way to the end of the video. So yeah, it's oriented towards selling products or services to companies. And that's really key here. If you are selling to individuals, it might not be the best choice because it's really been made for freelancers and entrepreneurs who want to do B2B. What I love about this course though is how great it is at showing you how to ask questions. Patrick's opinion on sales is that sales is not about being a good talker, but rather about being a good listener. In other words, it's knowing how to ask questions so you can be empathic, friendly, and trustworthy while staying in control of everything. It really resonated with me and how I like to do one-on-one selling. It's really more of a communication course oriented towards sales than a sales course. And some of the communication techniques he shows are scary powerful. For example, I tried his strategies on making people feel better about themselves when you talk to them. I didn't practice it. I just tested it like 10 minutes after I learned it. And it worked so well, I scared myself. I swear I did. It worked so well and it was so easy, I had to take 5 minutes to calm down and think about it to make sure it was morally acceptable. Now, while learning new skills, nothing comes without practice. Almost everything you'll learn in this course, you'll have to practice it, and practice it. In this course, Patrick will always show you how everything is done. Like after explaining everything, he'll be giving examples. But see, it's communication. So most of the time, you'll have to find a way to make it work for you in your own words and for your specific product. But with a bit of creativity, you should be able to do that just fine. Also really stresses out how important mindset is when it comes to selling, which most other courses don't talk about at all. But yet that is so important. The month I made the most money as a salesman was the month I was focusing on mindset the most. At the beginning of that month, I took a sales course created by Grant Cardone. At that time, I was selling cell phones, and that month, I sold so many cell phones, I jumped on the first 1% rank of sellers in one of the biggest cell phone service providers in Canada. And you know what? Prior to that, I had only been working there for 2 months. And in that Grant Cardone's course, I only improved my mindset. In Patrick's course, you'll get a completely different approach on improving your mindset than in Cardone's, but that's okay. I'm saying that so you can understand that for some people like me, focusing on their mindset will improve their sales game way more than focusing on any sales techniques. So again, really glad to see a great section on mindset in this course. I know most people will benefit a lot from it. So if you're an entrepreneur or freelancer and you want to take advantage of every single opportunity that comes your way, this course is a great choice. Well, feels kind of weird for me because I probably didn't even talk about 10% of what this course covers. There is so much more to this course, but I only wanted to cover the most important part of it. But since you can get it for free, you know more than enough to make a good decision. So I recommend you check it out for free using the link in the description. By using this link, you'll be able to get a 2-month trial on Skillshare for free. You'll have a huge library of courses you can choose from, where you can check out as many of them as you want during your subscription period. But if you don't want to waste your time on bad courses, then go watch the reviews of the Skillshare courses we've published on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, keep learning and growing every day, and I'll see you next week.